Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect your Xiaomi G27Qi to a MacBook. So as you can see in front of me, I have a MacBook, and in order to connect it to this monitor, you either gonna need a cable, a DisplayPort-to-USB-C cable, or an HDMI-to-USB-C cable, or you can also use just a regular HDMI or DisplayPort cable, and also get yourself a hub for a MacBook like the one I'm using here, or that has the HDMI port in it, and connect this HDMI to any available USB-C ports of your MacBook. Now for most MacBooks, these two ports are the same, but for MacBook Neo, if you're using MacBook Neo, then you're gonna want to connect the hub to the port that is closer to the device's display, because it gives you a better transmission speed. And you will also get a warning window on MacBook Neo. So what we are going to need to do is power on the monitor using the power cable, which goes in here. As you can see, my monitor is already powered, and then we're gonna have to insert one side of the HDMI cable into one of the available HDMI ports of my monitor. As you can see, I already have two devices connected to it. So I only have one HDMI port available right here. Rotate your HDMI cable this way, if I'm not mistaken, or am I? And carefully insert it into your monitor. No, I wasn't mistaken. Okay, so now the other side of the cable goes into the hub connected to my MacBook. And now let's turn everything around so we can see what it looks like on the display. Okay, so right now I also have a PS5 connected to my device. So I'm gonna have to press the joystick that is located on the back side of the monitor, and then drag the joystick to the left side and select a different HDMI port to switch to the MacBook. If it's the only device that is connected to your monitor, you won't have to do this. And now to adjust the settings, we're gonna have to navigate to the Apple menu in the top left corner of the screen, then go to System Settings, and then in System Settings, oh gosh, you won't be able to see it from there. Let me just quickly fix this. Okay, so now you will have to go to Displays and select the mode for your monitor. First of all, you can arrange your monitor around your MacBook by clicking Arrange, and then arrange your Mi monitor appropriately for your MacBook screen. And then you can also change the way that you want to mirror your monitor. So as you can see here, we have the extended display, main display, or mirroring option. So main display will make this device, our MacBook's main display, yeah, as it says, which for some reason it did the opposite. Oh no, actually I didn't select Mi monitor, that's why. Okay, so right now it is the main display. It should be, but for some reason it's not quite. Okay, so then we also can change the resolution, and we can also change the color profile, and we can adjust the refresh rate and also rotate the display. And so that's pretty much how you connect your monitor to a MacBook. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.